Hello YouTube, I'm Chappie and this is Ride On 2, and today we're going to do another challenge. Basically, I need to shout out two motovloggers that I like that are under 1K in subs, and why I think that you should check them out. So let's jump right into it. First off, I want to shout out to the two Kiwi Riders. It's a husband and wife motovlog team from down in New Zealand, and they are amazing. These two, when they shoot their videos, if they're meant to be funny, they are hilariously funny. If they're serious, they're serious. They do reviews. I find myself watching a lot of their content. It is very, very entertaining, especially when they do their little funny routines. They are just, it's amazing. It leaves me speechless sometimes, the content that they do. They did a review on an anti-fog insert that is not a pin lock, but it is like a pin lock. And the lengths that they went through to get the information, and they caught it all on film. It wasn't like they rode with them for weeks and then made a film and told you about it. They actually took you through the whole process of how they tested everything. It was very in-depth and amazing. I can't say enough about them. If you haven't checked them out, you need to go check them out. There is a link in the description to their channel. I really highly suggest you go check them out, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. The second motovlog channel I want to shout out is Motorcycle Momma. Again, Motorcycle Momma has a great sense of humor. Her videos are funny. They are entertaining. She does some stuff on her bike. She does some stuff off the bike. It's just really funny. She's got a great sense of humor. I enjoy watching her videos as well. She has some really amazing videos. The one she did about the movie, her favorite movie, which motorcycles would the people ride. That one was amazing. Funny. She had me going the whole thing. It wasn't until the end that I figured out what she was planning. She's very good, well thought out. She just doesn't put the camera on and film something. She knows what she's going to do well before. She's very good. Her link is also going to be in the description. I highly suggest you check these two channels out. And if you like what you see, subscribe. They are very good upcoming motovlog channels. I also want to give a congratulatory shout out to MotoKari. I will also leave her channel in the description. She hit the 1,000 subs mark this week. Congratulations, Carrie. Well deserved. I hope to see more content coming out of you here in the near future. She was going to be one of my two shout outs, but she hit the 1,000 sub mark, so I had to go and reshoot this video. But I'm happy to reshoot the video because that means that she already hit her mark. So congratulations, MotoKari. Well, that'll do it for me today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And until next time, this is Chappie. Keep it on 2.